everything done in the dark with the Rack LED flashlight gloves. The gloves feature two super bright LED lights on the thumb and index finger to help you work in low visibility environments, like having a third helping hand when you need it. Powered by AAA batteries, the lights last 168 hours of continuous use. The four-way stretchable fabric is soft and breathable on your skin to keep you comfortable while you work. One size fits most, and the fingerless design feels like you're working with your bare hands while allowing you to operate your phone or tablet. Don't be stopped by the dark. Get back to work with the Rack LED flashlight gloves.